Hi friends, how are you all? I am Shiva Kumar. My YouTube channel Shiva's English Academy. Please subscribe my channel, share my videos. These videos are very useful for all the students and aspirants who are preparing for competition exams. Today, pronoun. We are going to discuss pronoun, different types of pronouns. So what is a pronoun? Pronoun is a word which replaces a noun or pronoun is a word which replaces a noun. Pronoun is a word which replaces a noun. So basically there are only 7 pronouns. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These 7 pronouns are divided into 3 persons. These 7 pronouns are divided into 3 persons. I, we, these two are first person. You is second person. He, she, it third person singular, and they third person plural. I first person singular, we first person plural. I, we first person, I first person singular, we first person plural. You second person singular and plural. He, she, it, they third person. He, she, it, they third person. He, she, it third person singular, they third person plural. Okay, there are only 7 pronouns. The universal pronouns are only 7. These 7 pronouns divided into 3 persons. These 7 pronouns divided into 3 persons. Those are I, we, you, he, she, it, they. I, we first person, you second person, he, she, it, they third person. I first person singular, we first person plural, you second person both singular and plural, he, she, it third person singular, they third person plural. And these 7 pronouns are known as subjective pronouns. Subjective pronouns. Then objective pronouns. Objective pronouns are me, objective pronoun. I, subjective pronoun. Me, objective pronoun. We, subjective pronoun. Us, objective pronoun. You, subjective pronoun. You, again, objective pronoun. He, subjective pronoun. Him, objective pronoun. She, subjective pronoun. Her, objective pronoun. It, subjective pronoun. And it, objective pronoun. They, subjective pronoun. And them, objective pronoun. And also we have possessive and reflexive pronouns. Possessive pronouns and reflexive pronouns. In possessive pronouns, again there are 2 types. In possessive pronouns, again there are 2 types. Attributive and predicative. So here I, my, mine. I, subjective pronouns. Me, objective pronoun. My, attributive pronoun. Mine, predicative pronoun. We, subjective pronoun. Us, objective pronoun. Our, attributive, and ours, predicative. You, subjective pronoun. You, objective pronoun. Your, attributive. Yours, predicative. He, subjective pronoun. Him, objective pronoun. His, attributive, and again his, predicative. She, subjective pronoun. Her, objective pronoun. Her, attributive, possessive pronoun, hers. It, subjective pronoun. It, objective pronoun. Its, possessive pronoun in attributive. Coming to last one, they, subjective pronoun. Them, objective pronoun. Their, attributive pronoun, and theirs, predicative pronouns. Coming to reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns. I, myself. We, ourselves. You, yourselves. He, himself. She, herself. It, itself. And they, themselves. Okay? So I, me, my, myself. I, subjective pronoun. Me, objective pronoun. My, mine, myself. We, us, our, ours, ourselves. You, your, yours, yourselves. He, him, his, himself. She, her, hers, herself. It, its, itself. They, them, their, theirs, themselves. Okay, this is the detailed explanation about pronoun and different types of pronouns, various types of pronouns. So pronoun is basically a word which replaces a noun. Noun బదులుగా pronoun ని మనం యూజ్ చేస్తాం. So universally there are only 7 pronouns. All the 7 pronouns are divided into 3 persons. First person, second person, third person. In persons also there are again numbers, singular and plural. Singular means one, plural means many. I, first person singular. We, first person plural. You, both second person singular and plural. He, she, it, third person singular. They, third person plural. And we have subjective pronouns, objective pronouns, possessive pronouns and reflexive pronouns. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please share my video. If you like my video, please share. I need your cooperation and your support. And thank you very much for your support. I shall be always thankful to you for your love and affection and your invaluable support. Thank you, and we will meet in the next video. Until then, bye all of you. This is your Shiva Kumar. My YouTube channel is Shiva's English Academy.